Yo, what's good guys? Welcome to my new channel. I had to start fresh, and if we get enough support on this channel, I'm gonna be uploading daily, all Minecraft, all for you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy this very first video. Today we're gonna be talking about how to make a Minecraft server up to date. So this is the most recent version, 1.13, but if you're watching this in the future, it may be a different version that you can find in the description, and you can just easily follow along. And this is how you get a Minecraft server with plugins. So the very first thing you wanna do is make sure you have Java. So just go to your control panel for a quick check. Click uninstall a program and just scroll down, and if you don't see Java, you need to install it. If you do have Java, then don't worry about the steps. It's gonna be real fast. Just click free Java download. Link is in the description. Agree and start and download. There we go. So just click that. Do as you would to install the program. Just install. Okay. So it might take a couple minutes to do this. I'm just going to skip past it. All right, so that's done. We can go ahead and continue on to the next step, which is getting Spigot. Spigot is for all your plugins for your Minecraft server. So go ahead, click the link in the description, scroll down and click that. I'll start with the download. That's the spigot.jar. As you guys can see, that's the Java logo. Make sure to have Java. If you don't see a logo there, then you don't have Java. So that just finished up. What you want to do next is you want to create a new folder. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it my server. Simple, right? All right, so open that up, and that's where you're going to drag the spigot.jar. All right, so as you guys can see, it's in there. We can rename it to something a little bit shorter. I'm just going to name it Spigot. The next thing you want to do is open up Notepad. You can go to the search bar and search Notepad, open it up, paste in the code that I have for you in the description. Make sure it's named to what you named in your folder. So we named it Spigot. By default, it's already Spigot, but if you named it something else, you can just type that in. So make sure you find the right folder, and what we're going to do is we're going to call it run.bat. The .bat is really, really important, so make sure you have that. Really, you can call it start.bat, launch.bat. I just went with run. And then under here, you make sure all files is checked, super important, and go ahead and hit save. All right, so the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and double click the .bat file. It's going to take a little while. Basically, what's going to happen here is it's going to create all the server files for you. And on the very first startup, which is this, it's going to give us an error, which is okay. We're just going to ignore it for now. All right, so as you guys can see, it just completely stopped. What it wants us to do is go into eula.text because we have to agree to that. All right, so just right click on the EULA, hit edit, and make sure that is on true, or you won't be able to run your Minecraft server. Hit save, and go ahead and redo run.bat. All right, so that may have taken a little while. I'm not gonna lie, it usually does when you first start your server, but everything should have generated properly. So whenever you stop this, this basically means your server is on. Whenever you stop it, just type stop, hit enter, and once it's done, you're able to close it. That's just for safety, make sure everything goes smooth in your server, and we can close it now. So basically from here, your server is created. You can click on the link in the description and find whatever plugin you want. There's literally thousands, and you can find plugins. You can also subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be doing a lot of plugin reviews, and you basically just drag them in this folder here. All right, so the next step is how to connect to your Minecraft server. Basically when your server is running, you can click direct connect, type in localhost, and join server. Guess what? You're in. There we are. Bam, just like that. Been a little while, but we're in here, baby. So most of you guys are probably wondering, how do I get my friends to join? How do I make this a public server for everyone to join? There are tons and tons of tutorials on how to port it forward, but I'm not going to make one just because I know that there are a lot of problems on how to port forward. There's a lot, it's a messy thing. If you guys want a basic, simple, really quick tutorial, type in your search bar, CMD, then type in ipconfig, find default gateway, type those numbers in your web browser search bar, type in admin password for the username and password, look for the advanced page on your router website, and look for where it says port forwarding. You simply want to check TCP and UDP, type in 25565 as a start port, 25565 as the end port. Go back to the CMD black box, find IPv4 and type that in on the website. Name it whatever you want, and you're done. Basically, that's how to port forward, but of course you can go look it up. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you are new and if you want to see plugin reviews, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace